What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release April 6th. But before we get into that review, I want to take a quick look at another upcoming Jordan release. Here we have the Air Jordan Retro 5 SE releasing April 13th. I do have a review up on this shoe live on the channel if you want to check it out. It is shipping out now on FineLine1721.com. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Starting off with the box, as you can see, we got the standard lip top Jordan box. If you are familiar with the women exclusive Jordan 4 that just released, this basically is the same box. Taking a look at the label, women's Air Jordan 4 Retro, white and coconut milk. Lift the box lid up, peel this paper back. Now let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 4 Vivid Sulfur, coconut milk, whatever you want to call it. These do not come with any added accessories, so let's go ahead and get right into this review. Now, the material and color blocking is very reminiscent to the fire red Air Jordan 4 OG, where you have a dominantly white upper, dark color underneath the net, wing logo midsole, and a bright accent color on the waffle lace holders, sock liner, and the outsole. So starting off with that top-down view, got the yellow sock liner, which is also present behind the tongue. Yellow Jumpman sitting on top of the Black Flight branding. White net sitting on top of kind of like a dark charcoal gray mesh. Smooth leather on the toe box. Taking a look at the lateral side, got your dark gray net, dark gray flap, yellow waffle lace holder, charcoal gray midsole sitting on top of a sail outsole. Going around to the bottom of the shoe, no Nike Air branding on these. Got your yellow Jumpman logo matching the yellow herringbone traction. Going around to the heel of the shoe, nothing special behind the flap. Air Jordan branding sitting upside down on the tongue. And we got your yellow Jumpman logo sitting on top of the all gray heel tab. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, slight texture on the leather right here in the mid panel. But other than that, same exact way as the lateral side, nothing different there. Now taking that last quick 360. And that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 4 Vivid Sulfur Coconut Milk. If you're interested in this pair and you want to pick them up early, you can head over to the website. FineLine1721.com is shipping out early. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on X. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.